Namaste everyone. Usually when we attend sports day, school day or any other programs on this stage, that is a different type of emotion, right? We carry happiness or some other mixed feelings we every time have. But this was entirely a different level of emotion that we cannot express through words actually, because I felt sad for those when we were coming up. They asked, you are mother of, I told Adi Yashas. So they told, then you can take your kid. And few kids they were telling, none of my parents are coming. After attending this, I am feeling that if you could have mentioned that this was the program, probably even those parents could have experienced this. I don't know whether to name it spiritual or what, but I am in such a stage where after going out, first thing I want to do is I want to call my parents and I want to thank my in-laws who have given me a husband who is far beyond imagination, and my kids have such a wonderful family because of my parents and my in-laws. This is the feeling I had, and I thank Chitrakoota for that. And usually parents ask, do you have any idea which school is best, whether you want to change in high school? I actually want to request, if you want to plan PUC or 12th, please, I'll be sending my kids, and no idea of changing. And I would like to ask every parent to spread this message what we have experienced today. And I wholeheartedly thank the school and all the staff who have been so supportive and loving for our kids, so that at home we are so safe, thinking that school will take care of my kid, whether it is transportation, food. I can give you n number of examples where I was so stressed at home, but my son was so happy. My ma'am will take care of that, don't worry. So that is the feeling I have about school, and thank you for giving me this stage to express all this. Thank you so very much, sir.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Hanshika, and while I'm talking, I'm being loud and clear specifically to only my parents, ignoring the entire crowd. So I could see a lot of us in tears and feeling different emotions, but all I could feel was the happiness of every moment I spent. And instead of feeling that sadness, that emotion, I was happy for being with her and supporting her. And I just wanted to say to you that the pledge that I took, I will surely fulfill it. Thank you.
ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಆ ಭಾಷೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಂಗೊಂಚೂರು ಏನು ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ನನಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಾ ಒಂಚೂರು ಇಮೋಷನಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನನಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ದಟ್ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮಂಗೆ ಏನೂ ಹೇಳೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ, ನಾನು ನಿಂಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚಿರಋಣಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.